Okay, question number 6. Two blocks X and Y rest on a horizontal surface as shown. A horizontal force F is now applied to the larger block. We are applying a larger force over here, and the two blocks move together. Why do they move together? See, here there is no friction. Here friction is equal to 0. But why do they move together? The reason is, if you look through a microscope here, this will have some projections, right? The X here, the block X here will have some projections like this. Will have some projections like this. And what about Y? Y will also have some projections, right? It will also have some projections like this, such that they will interlock between each other. It is like if you have a comb, okay, the one which you use it for combing, and you have another comb which is in between. If you keep it like this, will you ever be able to move this one and this one? No, you cannot move it, right? So therefore you cannot move them apart. So if you start moving this one here, this will also move in the same force, right? So that's what is happening over here. So therefore there is a friction between the two blocks. So now what is happening? What is the free body diagram which shows the frictional force between the two blocks? See, if F is the force acting on Y, there should be a new force F1 which acts on X. Okay, if F1 acts on X, then equal and opposite force also acts below over here, which is also equal to F1. Only then these two will be together in the same location, right? So they will be together, they will be moving together, stationary with respect to each other. Okay, and as a result of it, the right option would be option A. Okay, X, there will be a force F1 acting like this, and Y, there will be a force acting like this over here. So thus, as a result of it, okay, so you get option A here. If you look at this, X and Y are like this over here. No, it's not possible, right? Okay, and then X is acting backward, Y is acting forward. If Y is moving like this, then definitely there will be a force with which the X is being dragged by this, right? So therefore F1 acts on it. When F1 is moving like this, now there is a frictional force which resists the motion of X, which acts downwards over here. Okay, thus A is the right option. Let us move on to the next problem.